ACMEE 2025, 16th edition is going to be held from 19 to 23rd June 2025. I'm here to just give you an update on how the whole ACMEE 2025 this time is shaped up, especially that you're going to witness some of the interesting missions which is coming up this time, especially on heavy duty machines, multitasking VMCs, HMCs, and in the sheet metal sector this time we have 3D fiber cutting machine, laser cutting machine, which is one of the unique that has been introduced this time in ACMEE 2025. Apart from that, we have of course fiber laser cutting machines. We have press brakes, we have hydraulic presses, and in metrology we have very interesting products coming up in measurement, and especially this time we have a concurrent show called ArtTech 2025, which is mainly focused on automation and robotics, especially the industrial robots, cobots, and also Industry 4.0 and artificial intelligence. Of course, this time I think the whole manufacturing segment is going to really witness some of the unique products now available for beyond smart manufacturing. Apart from the ArtTech 2025 exhibition, we also have a 2 days conference. It's going to be held along with ACMEE 2025 on 20th and 21st June 2025 in the same venue. So I take this opportunity to welcome you all and visit ACMEE 2025, and also thank you on behalf of organizing committee. We just look forward to see you all and welcome you all. Thank you.